Oh, brother, be faithful, soon Jesus will come, for whom we have waited so long.
Amen. Ni siang. Khotba ka jen siang.
So chỉ còn chung ngon chỉ còn cái vị nấu ăn thì cái ruộng chăn này cái bảo thiết ngon có nằm bên này cái nằm bên kia cái chỉ còn cái vị chỉ còn cái vị so cái quạt mình nó còn cái device cái chỉ còn cái cái đồ mình bán lại cái gì Daniel 11 verse 4 so cái last week our sister here cái gì cái còn và chăng sẽ kéo con từ bác sĩ so chỉ có là con ăn so những quá là bên có sai trên quá cái đến nhà 11 verse 4 thì chia cái lều yang đôi từ lúc ấy cái ngọn sao cái sẽ là gì này bóc con đi vô ban cái ngọn sao ban này giật rồi cái này ở France yang đôi đó ban này cái này so ban cua so mấy con nào cũng con là drive những cái ngọn sao đi những cái gì rồi gì với những cái ngọn sao cái geographical location national này लेकिन मैं चुकान बनता फ्रांस geographical का निचे तक sao लेकिन चुकान नाम का रखा सिंगल Egypt चांद बार के ngọn sao बार ये को लगे और which so chana word the commission here atheism again for no controversy medan okay last week atheism mean so chana word again don't know if you deny the existence of a God so dictionary bokon jung no ko wel start you know existence of a God so me cha matin it means it's not definite. Here definite. It can be those small gods. So which you deny, you are atheist. Here medium country, you are atheistic country. So what the Malapa Frame Revolution. Young water by a drive Frame Revolution. Making walk of France care 1789. Then two women we say 1799. Again, Banner Wheaton on and history in America. So France which are like a common and so Banner Jabba allow poor at the way the government it wouldn't fuck Louis 16. Yang boleh terkuat roda. Kajian bela roda bila kaya 17, ni kaya 17, 73. Jadi belajar roda. Yang boleh pakai Louis 16 ni. Ambil ni macam beli ni kaya bila roda kaya 17, 73. Dan fuel you kaya 17, 93. So price revolution cakap ada. Ini tu betul orang. So udah mana yang point dah. Our history bakal juga jadi week, ini jebung dulu je. So jadi tu mana ni kau kalau, tu France ada tiada three classes. Ini cara kita last week. Oh take a first estate. Then take a second estate. Ini take a third estate. Terkini kan, aja ada kerja dengan France, terus dia buat Louis 16. So first class, kalau aja English class, kini aja tu ne te ga tan tana ka tiswa ke royal family royal and a first class tana ke royal family la royal family ne so I think ngana ka ne ala family ne te royal family go kan ta ka mi tene kan ka mi swa ke roy ke mi swa ke monarch ke da man ngana so monarch you ngana gena re ta rule nyok tana ga tiswa ke clergy kind of first class father state take a royal family another thing take a tiswa ke clergy the thing that to go first estate la tiswa ke clergy ne ke ministers na ministers te take a puma worker. Then also take a rulers in churches. The place that the rabbis and I need to want that the need under this class. So they didn't take 1% of the land. 1% of land from France and these people. Then can make it go with all over the country. Là do cái tax là có for them trả tax sao nhiều no paying tax chicken tax is real free can these people so cháu là tax chicken là cầm này có tiền nhiều có tiền bạn này có bên cái tax class rồi tax class again your room again your okay the money 1% of population 1% of population. Then can take 10% of the land. 10% of the land. So can pass this state in it. Then we call over the second estate. Made the thing. American term like your tax and your revenue. So one idea. La ne ala second estate take 2%. Take 2% of population. Population of France, 2% of population. Then in your, a percentage you can take 25 to 30% of land. Who can own land? So can chicken tax chicken in your food. No paying taxes. When we can so a second estate in a minute, can a father estate. So we can third estate. I don't want to be a cool. No revolution. Who can bank in Quaker? So can bank in Quaker district. Can third estate. Can I take your tax pin? Can I take a and I wouldn't lose. So, but I just 7% of population come France. Of population. When they pay taxes, then they own cái bánh cái được chưa cái này cái này chứ nó sẽ ta được cái này chả ta làm cái gì một chắc cái sầm luôn cái sầm luôn cả cái nào đừng qua ban này bây giờ là cái quả chắc sẽ cho phải là kia cái này được quả chắc cái này đi cho cái chắc phải long số này cái nhầm cái này đi cho cái aban là này chứ rồi middle class đã có cái này cho cái middle class then can get educated educated people. And that subgroup, educated people, the middle class. Then they are also educated. So, but I could have a finger and go educated. So, talk on the manner of first group, the second group, this is city laborers. City laborers. So, city laborers, can I like another city? Can go poor. Then number 3, under third estate. Then put up people your finger long, get it like a Fizan, La Palmas. Fizan, farmers. So Fizan farmers, they can again. They pay a lot of tax. Can you tax for a long life or then they also pay tithe in the church. Can I take your car? Can I your car one pin lock or both? Can I your machine then? You take no good to be you. Now, can't cut cloud, second cloud, fast cloud, so tell them chicken attack, chicken the European. And my name is second estate. Chicken tax. Can be a Yakabala cut arrested. Can I take your tax? Good one before of the union. The kid made chicken a bit. Sugar, not a sugar prayer revolution, you're going to cost. And our prayer revolution, so then you need some court. History and the prayer revolution. So prayer revolution. The introduction. The prayer revolution was a period in France when people overthrew the monarchy and took control of the government. The revolution led to the overthrow of the monarchy, establishment of a republic, political violence, turmoil, and culminated in a dictatorship under Napoleon I. This revolution brought many of its principles to Western Europe and beyond. So it's called statement of our government or prayer revolution. Allow men and monarchy. The kids will go to overturn, go to overthrow. Generation, prayer revolution, shoot the court. Men may should turn out to Napoleon when a better you remember. You turn it. The kid by a major Napoleon and two. So, by a major history. Then one minute, take a Makana under this turn of Dr. Stephenson. Dr. Machan. Maybe other to Jari. Turn under this group. Your cat tax in the chicken you belong. Later, all your tax in long. Fees and farmers. Can I your tax in long? So what when we released to video and France get them to which are Louis 16. Very weak. Generation to the other super cost. Champion meeting they or tell them how they get annual. Then when you would win which are Louis 16 so again keep one in your back. Can make it go right away. Can I share that kind of audience? About audience. Tell when you got audience and back mới về chọn nhập khẩu chọn con nè đến chú vi chuyên nhiều tố con mà nè mấy chú vi chuyên nhiều tố làm ăn là gì chú bữa nay mình chọn cái bữa nay nộp tiền được là đây nộp tiền được mà nè So these people okay they kuye la that group men ke ta estate okay they kuye no nyal o biuri ke weekend kana fight you could read from 1793 man 1794 that way they would not care. So 1793 then Louis XVI Louis XVI died. Then when we to new rulership from 1793 the same year we live to 1794 you really be talking to other reign of Terry get a shooter with a minute they could pray revolution court walk. So young water Bible you Bible revolution to turn government by 1792 1793 on what you Bible to a Bible like it but you're not keep quiet to a then to a revelation chapter 11 but you fulfill get them and one when I'll be so because I specific okay last week we are not specific over the whole Bible. So I would say because I specific only. So it is a fulfillment of revelation letter. Bible, the 2 witness. So you can never what happened to you. When you check over through when France will continue. Mana yang 1799 what who king of the software like that 1799 mana yang umum itu kau determine mana king of the source mana yang is it characteristic to even be wala kayak characteristic untuk kopian so mana yang mana you rain allow me to keep it to then you really don't need to ban 1795. She really not in Cuban. 1795 up to 1799. Take a Victorian rulership. And I named the rule in the can the alter dictators. The wood to a Napoleon and Feta. And I'm can lay don't can give. Tell I'm a executive. Tara ramala ay leading up, tara leading up. So can you get dictators? Can be 5 million. Can Napoleon here again? Then we take a book around the so by allow a poor. A marine Napoleon may cover book, get a poor. So just you wait up. Take a native of him to acquire it. Company reason a cover problem. Is it because you can take is it because of trade concern? One again a middle. So buy a bendy down here. So we can walk on Egypt. So Egypt characteristic of Egypt, they worship idols. Not so. Bana Egypt. Then he said images. Allah idols so which you put make yellow. So you are already worship our idol. So make you can make you far out to put yellow. You don't know Jana can tell the cocaine palace. Lemon you not give a man. I'm born myself. So where on that? Okay. So Baba, we have taken a slave out. Okay, slave out. We got a slave. So by a jet, cut the yard in the Gakano Potakan. And he buy each other. A theistic country. Because atheism don't know and look at and tell a put no you put Meridian, whether upon the other, whether upon Meridian, get heard it exists. So again, on the side of Para, can Egypt, because there is no country, tell a country right on Karada, tell a country without a king, tell a king without a country. So can they go Egypt? Then now, one of me again, one of from Spa, couple of 98. Jeremiah the Tinubu exists in 1798. So now, one of them was some quotation. Canadian, they were ruling together. Duncan, Napoleon. When you make a Jeremiah, no, couple, you pop your echo. The key is on the curve. Jeremy, Jeremy Cupo. So, one of them, he Bible. I can't buy a book when you're take a court, Louis, where get buy a video. Okay. Can I Exodus. And you say Exodus chapter 5, verse 2 again. I tell us movie for will be the letter is Egypt at with Moses, so Egypt, many of them and Moses, for the history to Moses, they deliver, they even preach. Kapara, a kid to Para, change your woman, so to Egypt, you're gonna atheistic country. Then I want to come here. We call a project, they didn't written together. So we just are Napoleon, we went to France, not waited, Carolina, because 1799. But during this side, we to name until now, allow a quarter among 5, quarter to care, quarter who can wait, who can have care, allow a board of executive. So come can get. Then I want to who Emil are used one. Good corner one characteristic unique one at transfer France. Then now let us Egypt. So Egypt acting of the south. Then I can idol worshipper. They make images. Then can take a slavery. So now we come on the side of France. So France, because we're acting on the south, is spiritually. Then now let us come. And now France gets 1798. Here, let me come back. French Revolution. French Revolution and France, Jen La Teneo. Okay, they worship idols. They reject God. The period is 1793. Then now, another thing we look at in France, 1793. Can take a slavery. Or we take down dirty. It's slavery in academy. So they oppress third class. La third class, who can oppress? Who will take the time of the child. Again, the same thing as Egypt. Egypt black is slavery. Can you see the blood? God is Lord. So the money upon 1793. Then, Jana, they will continue to Chala, then one of the 12. Jana GC, Jana, GC, 230, take quotation divide, they harmonize. GC 230. So, in a manner, Egypt to qualify atheist. Then GC 230 can have so no need to call. paragraph 2. Then also valid GC. Again, 269. Then quotation to them.
Okay. When?
When?
Okay. You see to that paragraph to right. Yani, the gospel of peace which France had rejected was to be only too surely rooted out, and terrible would be the results. On the 21st of January 1793, 258 years from the very day that fully committed France to the persecution of the reformers, another procession with a far different purpose passed through the streets of Paris. Again, the king was the chief figure. Again, there were turmoil and shouting. Again, there was heard the cry for more victims. Again, there were black scoffs. And again, the saints of the day were closed by horrid executions. Louis XVI is struggling hand to hand with his jealousy and executioners. According to the words of the prophet, then a little before the year 1798, some power of satanic origin and character will rise to make war upon the Bible. And in the land where the testimony of God's two witnesses should thus be silenced, there will be manifested the atheism of the Pharaoh and the licentiousness of Sodom.
Okay, so this is the Mania 17 So prophetess, you call a year before 1798. Take the power of satanic origin, you will now. Two witnesses. Killing Kodara. Near Kodara, one Egypt. Can I Egypt or I can buy them? Then the minute talk again 1793. So, and France point the major no. Jataka no. Jataka atheism of Egypt. Then a job care licentiousness of Sodom. Okay, which point? Okay, 1793, not 1798. So now France qualified to be atheist. And France. Then now, the characteristic of Egypt, they fulfill case 1793. Of which now we can work upon. And I'm pushing of the king of the north, king of the south. Which here by at the time of the end of 1260 for the 2 months, then the 3 years and half. Daniel chapter 12 verse 4, Daniel chapter 7 verse 15, another revelation. So when I get out 1798, again if you king of the south, you push at him, king of the south. 1798. Then I'll be correct. King of the south was pushing against king of the north. So we don't know king of the south will win. The king of the south, king of the north will lose. Then I'll be king of the north now. Okay, 1798. So when I get without question, a king of the north. Then now, king of the south. So when I get
So when I get a France, another made that they keep food again as purposely. When I get a France and a Napoleon, then I pick it. Then now when I come in. So another king of the north. So when I get a cat. Then the king of the south, a state. So we see a state pushing again in the church. Then now, reason of which state go food again in the church. You go reason in Napoleon the repeat a curve of coke again. So me a child issue when I get here Moko concern church when I get. So one minute of quote. The one reason why Pope was captured by Napoleon and the president. Now, a process of sanctioning Britain and Napoleon from trading with his allies. Napoleon told Pope to stop trading with Britain. After some time, Pope allowed Britain. So Napoleon thought was a violation of rule and captured Pope. So when I get the money, the reason that they check okay, issue. So cover Pope, reason I cover Pope again, go to court Britain for a sanction. We can Napoleon challenge about the I'm coming to Europe. Jadi moi ke kia saya tu yang buat benda. Mana mesti buat week, mana 1850 na, di jauh tu. Kenapa? Reason dia kalau kenapa je Britain ke korang boleh sanction. So cepat trade. Kenapa tu? Pun itu ada Pope Napoleon, dia halau. Kalau Napoleon bertrade dia. Again, if Napoleon there, you come to a captivity. Then now, which one is the call? A child issue. Is it child issue? But is this child issue? Please on the count of Pope.
Yeah. First of all, when a child issue could be just in time, in age, and a very correct history, but in the Bible. Bible has participated. This man later on will be taken as what?
Because what? For what reason?
The revelation was later.
You offered it. Who the reason they copied it? So, Japan side by Malay and go there.
No, I tell you, China yoga day in a copy yet. A copy okay, and I have issue of trading. When a more, you know, God in a Bible. Or when a Bible, yeah, cháu ấy là nó nặng ra là thẻ bài thì nặng là thẻ dân phúc cho ta nặng thẻ á xin tình thẻ là mình
You give us the issue.
nên là part of history chứ part of the Bible mà part of history yes nặng thẻ cũng có vấn đề là khi nó là part of Bible và nó là cái history.
Okay. You want to tell us that reason they not going Pope not going to pay them upon the world because dân có vậy chứ dính vô vấn đề.
When the Bible, yeah, giáo prophesy,
Yeah, prophesy.
của gia lại nè, là chính là mình giáo luôn này, part of the history là mình giáo có chứ.
Then you are money this word and by never said were Pope killed by sword.
Because when mà cái history nhiều cái chân, cha mẹ cái này lại cả này cả lan hồ cái chân, cái chỗ
You are going to get
which means that now you want
You
to get
are
when I come up with it.
Okay.
That's how when you want to get Bible that I don't make a prophesy. This is not this man.
No, I can't. I'm saying, I'm telling you.
Không phải một cái là chỗ cái là gì? Là mình thấy là cái xe bảy cái là cái xe. Khi mà nó ăn là cái bảy cái là cái quen.
Cũng chỉ là người này nên là xem một
Một khi vậy, sau đó đều là bạn thấy. Ủa biết là
you get it.
nó ăn nó trả lời bài của Chúa là history mà cái này cũng chỉ cái này qua đây. Nhiều cũng đâu không biết what is
Then you could be reason to enjoy. You may want to learn that it's going to be. Cha này chắc có point. Về khả năng captivity was not killed by sword. It's not definite.
How about
Not so. But Bible is not a sword. Now what is the reason behind it? You go to history. Not so. So now reason. So reason I come to your Pope, I'm dealing with French Revolution. So reason I come to your Pope, it was the threat. Scare threat they go to
me go to the Britain or something. So here is on the cap, I did not find any reason to come upon whether the Pope fulfill prophecy, whether it's not there. I have not found it. So reason the cover Pope, again they want to know, go to the Britain or something to trade. So now, France just want to tell me about the can go on take a phone reject. So, as they rejected God. Go tell me. Let me give example. Ngara được có cái nói gì ta cái business nó có cái nào cả một công ty maybe thế cái cho này thế cái rule nào đó thôi cả một công ty we is concerned with child issue we are not concerned with child issue so it means France case 1798 was not atheist or which we cannot prove Daniel 11 using atheism is not there. The only way to prove it, being at the king of the North, because just then the king of the North is just begun. Be a week. And now the king of the North, see push. Go to what push it mean attack, it mean killing. So, and now the king of the South, now the king of the North, see push. Here now the king of the North, see attack. So we just France. But we will not prove France with all with this king 1798. It is wrong. So if you prove that the identity which have fulfilled 1798 is not there. But who fulfilled 1793, you explain the question. Potential here is right to 1793. So when we just France can fulfill atheism of Pharaoh and the licentiousness of Sodom. They can fulfill the now work, which will we address. So we get 1793 of revolution. But 1798, so France was not atheist. You cannot prove it. So France is atheist 1798. So again, Madame Guru, of which I discussed the last week. That there are controversies, that there are misunderstandings. So, many of them are Sarah. You cannot prove king of the south have this characteristic. Because king of Aladdin 11 verse 4 Raja 1798 is not talking of 1793 or 1797. So, the Raja came upon 1798 at the time of the end, which is 1260. Which is 1798. Child king of the south, push at him, which is king of the north. So again, another guru, Barakid. So move at 3 years, and we shall get it in the evening. Kawatin, here by your discover after can blind can do. So you want to thing. Tell apart. Ya kan point terus to get you go and ko le yo ni ke da men da ni cha ko rai bi cha ye to ko ni mana da men cha ye tu ta mai ne o karam da men long ko ni yo ni mo ye ni mo ke pa ko ni ba ko long kare ti ye ta ma mana wo ne ni amane o mana ram bi ni yo bi bo bi ja mo ka understanding mo ngwa ni o Rana area check quality. You teach you in the job, you got to know. Come at a time trouble, but you money to year. No back area by no Gadina. Grammar order. Grammar order Yao is Karwada Gadina. Kabaram Yao, take a Karwada. The king, the only main thing Gadina or money methodology Gadina, and powerful Bankarai position Gadina. We use the methodology of you know, then I get a care. Can make a more than a controversy about it. Methodology use the garden, here care. Take a native Yoska wrong one, native Yoska, right one. Only item ko bangi, shere shukon di.
Oh, brother, be faithful, soon Jesus will come, for whom we have waited so long. Oh, soon we shall enter our glorious home.